बता
Let's start.
नमस्कार, खुश रहो बेटियाओं। माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर अस्मा खान, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फैशन एंड इंटीरियर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथडोलॉजी, subject visual merchandising, session store design. In previous session we will discuss about the layout of stores, space, advertisement area and other things which is included in the store. Now we will discuss the store design. Retail store exist to cater the need of their customers at a need to anatomic abilities and tendencies. Body limitation are common to all customers of the store. Retail store environment has to fulfill above need of customers. Different in shoppers environment requirement bound to exit in particular cooler store catchments area. Still store need to be exit in particular store designed to reflect an environment in which majority shoppers can feel comfortable. Creating a suitable design for the store and provide feel-good shopping environment become a competitive edge for the store and retail market. It means first off, store need to be comfortable. Whenever we will enter in the store, we need to comfortable and cool environment. Example, air conditioner in the retail store. In most cases, it is the image of perception of the store that sets one store apart from other. Shopping today has become a sensory experience, and while other components like merchandise mix also play a building image of the store. It means the store manager behavior, their experience and the design of store simultaneously work for the shopping. Importance of the store design. Store design and layout tell us what the store is all about, like giving a personality to store, a very strong tool in the hands of a retailer for communicating and creating the image of the store in the mind of C. C means eye-catching. When store is eye-catching, it will be found in C. It is the creation of store image which is the starting point in any marketing effort. Store design important not only for retailer perspective but also for the consumers. Retailers look at the store design from view of point, target audience, their needs, buying habits, merchandise which is going to sell. Consumer feel store design should be simple to move, navigate, must be appealing to his sensory perception, create a sense of belongings, a sense of relationship, security, insurance, and a pleasure in shopping experience. It means first we will enter, then we will comfortable, then we will see the store interior design, then we will see the products with the sensorial comfort, and totally when we will comfort, we will purchase the product. This is powered by 2.0 digital station Jyoti Vidyapit. Hope you will satisfied with this session. If any problem in this session, you can query in next session or maybe in comment section. Thank you so much.